Welcome, my dear students. I hope all of you okay. Today we will make a revision on area of rhombus. Now, if we have a rhombus ABCD with side length equals 7 centimeter and height equals 6 centimeter, and we wanted to find the area of that rhombus. Solution. At first, the formula of area of rhombus equals side length by height. Side length equals 7 centimeter and height equals 6 centimeter. So substitute in the formula. So area equals 7 by 6 equals 42 centimeter square. Now if we have the rhombus ABCD and we want to find the area of that rhombus, we have two diagonals. The first diagonal BD equals 12 by 2 equals 24 centimeter because he gave me half of the length of BD. And the second diagonal AC equals 20 centimeter. So solution, let D1 equals 24 centimeter and D2 equals 20 centimeter. Area of rhombus, or the formula of area of rhombus, equals half by D1 by D2, and now we will substitute in the formula. So area equals half by 24 by 20 equals 240 centimeter square. Now if we have a rhombus with side length equals 7 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter, and we want to find the area, and we want to find the area of the rhombus. We said before that area of rhombus equals side length by height, so we will substitute in the formula. So area equals 7 by 5, 7 side length, 5 height. So area equals 7 by 5 equals 35. Now, if he gave me the length of diagonals of a rhombus 9.2 and 14.4 meter, and we wanted to find the area of the rhombus. The formula area of rhombus equals half by D1 by D2. Let D1 equals 9.2 and D2 equals 14.4. So area equals half by 9.2 by 14.4 equals 66.24 meters. Now, if the area of a rhombus is 28 centimeter square and its side length is 7 centimeter, then its height equals, we said before, height equals area divided by side length. He gave me area equals 28 centimeter square and side length equals 7 centimeter, so we will substitute in the formula. So height equals 28 divided by 7 equals 4 centimeter. Now, if the area of a rhombus is 64 centimeter square and the length of one of its diagonals is 8 centimeter, find the other diagonal. Solution, let D1 equals 8 centimeter, the first diagonal equals 8 centimeter, and A equals 64 centimeter, A area. So area equals 64 centimeter square. Now D1 by D2 equals 2 by A. We have D1, so we will substitute in that formula. So 8 by D2 equals 2 by 64. Now D2 equals 16 centimeter. Remark, we all know that area equals half by d1 by d2. I'll find the formula y d1 by d2 equals 2 by a. From equations, a equals half by d1 by d2. If we have a fraction, we multiply the two sides by the inverse of the fraction. So we will multiply the two sides by 2. So we will multiply the both sides by 2. So it will be 2 by a. We multiply that side by 2. So it will be 2 by a. And if we multiply that side by 2, 2 goes with 2. So it will be now 2 by a equals d1 by d2. Because 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 by d1 by d2 equals d1 by d2. So d1 by d2 equals 2 by a. Now lesson 2, circumference of the circle. Now if we have circle with diameter equals 10 centimeter and we wanted to find the circumference of that circle, consider pi equals 3.14. So solution, circumference of the circle equals pi by d. We have pi equals 3.14 and d from the figure equals 10 centimeters. So circumference of the circle equals 3.14 by 10 equals 31.4 centimeters. Now we have a circle with the diameter equals 14 centimeter because he gave me the radius equals 7 centimeter. So diameter will be 7 by 2 equals 14 centimeter, and we wanted to find the circumference of that circle. Consider pi equals 22 over 7. Now solution. Circumference of the circle equals pi by d. We have pi equals 22 over 7 and d equals 14 centimeter. So circumference of the circle equals 22 over 7 by 14 equals 44 centimeter. Now find the circumference of the circle with the radius length 2.5 centimeter. Consider pi equals 3.14. Now solution, circumference of the circle equals pi by d. He gave me the radius length equals 2.5 centimeters. So we will substitute in the formula. Circumference of the circle equals pi by d. So pi equals 3.14 and d equals 2.5. Now 3.14 by 5 equals 15.7 centimeter. Find the circumference of the circle with diameter length equals 28 meter. Consider pi equals 22 over 7. Solution, circumference of the circle equals pi by d. Pi equals 22 over 7 and d equals 28 meter. So circumference will be 22 over 7 by 28 equals 88 meter. Now we have a figure and we wanted to find the perimeter of that figure. As we take before, the perimeter means the length of the line that outlines shape. The length of the line that outlines the shape. And now, if we started from A, that's the line that outlines the shape. Now we wanted to find the length of that line. Consider pi equals 22 over 7. Now the perimeter equals AB, that side, and BC, and the half of the circumference of the circle. Now the perimeter equals AB plus BC plus circumference divided by 2, or half of the circumference. ABC is an equilateral triangle, so AB equals BC. So the perimeter will be 14 plus 14 plus 22 over 7 by 14 divided by 2. So it will be 50 centimeter. Now we have a quarter of circle and we want to find the perimeter of that quarter. As we said before, the perimeter means the length of the line that outlines that shape. Now if we start from A, the line will be AB plus BC plus CA. Consider pi equals 22 over 7, and the perimeter will be AB plus BC and circumference divided by 4, because that length will be circumference divided by 4. Now the perimeter will be 7 plus 7 plus circumference divided by 4. Now it will be 7 plus 7 plus 22 over 7 by 7, all of them divided by 4 equals 19.5 centimeter. Now if we have a figure and we wanted to find the perimeter of that figure consists of a rectangle ABCD and semicircle, and now we want to find the perimeter. The perimeter, as we said before, the length of the line that outlines the shape. If we started from A, and we wanted to determine the line. Yes, that's the line. Now we wanted to find the length of that line. Consider pi equals 22 over 7. Solution: at first the perimeter equals AD plus AB plus BC plus circumference divided by 2. We have AB equals 70 centimeter and AD equals 150 centimeter and BC equals 150 centimeter. So the perimeter equals 150 plus 70 plus 150 plus 22 over 7 by 70, all of them divided by 2. It will be 480 centimeter. DC is the diameter. DC is the diameter of that circle. The diameter of that circle. DC equals AB. DC equals AB. And thank you for listening, my dear students.